watching. Make sure you subscribe because you don't want to miss me. So today's video is going to be on this new unit that I'm wearing. Of course, this is from an Amazon-based company, HIBABY. I know you guys have heard about that brand before because the silk press wig that I had was from this same company. They reached out again, wanted me to do another review, so here we are, rocking that dough all 2020, period. Alright, let's get right into the details of this wig. This is a 13x6 lace front wet and wavy wig. It's glueless, pre-plucked hairline, and it also has baby hairs. This is the 8-inch and it starts off at $59.90, I believe. Don't quote me on that. But and then it goes up in price per inch. I definitely would have wanted to see this probably in like a longer length, but this short length is okay. You know, I'm kind of feeling the short lengths. Everyone's telling me that they like the shorter lengths on me versus like the big hair that I usually wear in the bone straight long hair. So I guess I'm kind of digging like the excuse me, I guess I'm kind of like digging like the short hair as of right now. Like, I'm feeling myself, like, period. So I did not go in and I did not do any plucking. I literally just glued it down, added a little bit of added a little bit of powder because the lace was like a really ashy color and it just wouldn't like melt into my skin. I didn't do any baby hairs at all. I'm just not a baby hair type of person, so I really don't do baby hairs. But other than that, it's in there, and I added, like I said, I added a little bit of powder on the lace just to make it blend with my skin tone. I did not bleach the knots or anything like that. I've never had like a wet and wavy. It's definitely different for me. It's not something I'm used to. I really didn't like it at first, but I had to like get the gist of it. I'm like, had to put my makeup on, had to like start feeling myself, and I can dig it. I can deal with it. It's all right. It's all right. You know, out of 10 stars, I give it like a 9. Before I start anything about this wig, can I just say that the parting, it is so much parting space in this. This is a true 13x6 wig. Like, this is a real 13x6. A lot of companies say 13x6 and literally only the middle part would be 6 inches and then the sides would be just like this short. But no, on this one, the sides are 6 inches and the middle is 6 inches. So you're definitely getting your coins worth. You could part it, but I'm okay with just the flip over method. And you can, like, if you look right here, you can part it. I'm gonna show you guys how far back you can go. All of this, all of that is parting. Like, you can part it. Like, they were very generous with the parting space, which is always a good thing. Like, everyone wants their wigs to have good parting space. I can't stand when wigs have like this much parting space. It's so freaking annoying and it irritates my soul. Before we can get into like a few of the details, well, the pros and the cons of this wig, of course. Some of the pros, I would say that it is definitely big head friendly. If you got a big ass head like me, it'll fit your head for sure. Let's see what else. Really haven't gotten any shedding with this. Like, I haven't gotten any shedding, which is rare, but you know what? It's not rare because with my other wig that I got from them, I have no shedding with that. Like, no shedding at all. Like, no shedding still. And I was wearing that silk press wig like every day for a minute. No shedding. So that's always a plus. I didn't get no tangling in it as well. No tangling. Yeah, so I would just say at first, when I first got it, I had to figure out how to get the curls to like really like even wet and wave. So I did spray my spray bottle in there with I put a little bit of curl hydrating conditioner in the water as well, just to make the curls like, you know, really come to life. It took a minute and it dries like really fast, but it's okay. It took a minute to get it, but it still looks good regardless. I haven't really experienced any cons with this, honestly, and I'm not just saying that, just I haven't experienced any cons. The only con is with the putting so much in there for it to get the wet and wavy look. And it like actually hold a curl, but I guess the wet and wavy isn't supposed to have like a tight curl. So I don't know. I'm so used to tight curls that wet and wavy is just different for me, I guess. I don't know. That's pretty much all that I have to say about this unit on my head right now. I will leave all the details on it down below. I will leave the direct link that you could click to purchase it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My name is dirtydianaohhhh with 4 H's. Snapchat, vintagejean. All that's down below. So you can look on that to see what that is. But anyways, yeah. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.